Two of my favorite things, chicken and dressing. They are delicious anytime, anywhere. So come with me and I'll show you how to make it. Cook chicken until done. Let cool, then debone and cut up chicken. You can use rotisserie or canned chicken instead. Make your cornbread and let it cool completely. Using pan or microwave, saute the celery and the onion in a half a stick of butter until tender. Let it cool. Crumble up the cornbread in a large bowl. Go back through the coarse pieces and crumble them finer. Add cooked celery and onions. Add your eggs, and remaining butter. Stir and mix ingredients. Then add salt, onion powder, garlic powder, pepper. Stir and mix ingredients. Sage, poultry seasoning, add your chicken stock. Should be moist but not runny. Add more stock if needed. Mixture. Add half of the cut up chicken at a time. Mix well. After adding chicken, more stock may be needed. Add the other half of the cut up chicken. After adding chicken, more stock may be needed. Preheat oven to 350. Spray 13 by 9 by 2 inch pan with cooking spray. Pour mixture into greased pan. If you need chicken and dressing for a large group or take a serving to someone, double the recipe. That is what I did in this video. If mixture is too wet, remove some of the excess stock. Cover tightly with aluminum foil. Bake 1 hour, 30 minutes covered, 30 minutes uncovered, until top is golden brown, firm, and a sharp knife inserted in the center comes out clean. Remove aluminum foil for the last 30 minutes of baking. Down in the comments, share what side you would like with chicken and dressing. This recipe is great for any time of year. I hope you try this recipe, and as always, God bless. Check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's Kitchen merchandise. Thank you for watching my videos. Subscribe for more cooking videos. Leave a comment on what you want to see next.